Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while since we've uploaded a video. Basically, once we left London, went to Greece. I did a lot of filming in Greece, came back to Australia, and then since then, we have been flat out. So recently we got married. We went to Uluru for our honeymoon. But in between that, from coming back and that, I was still filming. So we went to an Australian football, Aussie rules football game. I've got some footage of that. We went around an event in Sydney called Vivid, so I've got footage of that. So those videos are still coming, don't worry. I'm going to try and be more consistent now. I'm aiming for 2 videos a week, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of our old stuff. There's some cool videos there, and lots more to come. In the meantime, here's part 2 of Greece. It's going to be a fun day today. We're going to go rent a scooter and ride to the other side of the island. You excited?
Yeah.
Should be good fun. We'll be fine. As long as it doesn't thunder. You are?
I'm apprehensive.
It'll be fine. As long as it doesn't rain, that won't be fun.
We'll have to take shelter.
Yeah, but I mean, it's blue sky. Breakfast of champions, chocolate cake and biscuit. Okay, we got our scooter ready to go. How you doing there, Em?
Good.
That I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream.
All right, Emma's first trip on a motorbike.
It's a little bit wet.
Yeah, we got the edge of a thunderstorm. I think we're dried off now. There's no rain here, which is good. We're here at Lindos, which is some ancient city.
It's really pretty.
It's pretty cool. It's very Greek. You'll see what I mean. This is just for Jane. I know you said you never want to see Emma on a motorbike. I'm sorry.
We were on a scooter.
It is a scooter, not a motorbike. But yeah. We're on our way up to the top. It's an alright view. What do you think so far, Em?
Pretty.
Yeah?
It's very Greek.
It is very Greek. She'll risk everything for a good pano. Ready to climb a mountain?
Yeah.
I think we're already halfway up.
I know. She was making it seem like a big deal, wasn't she?
Yeah. They're incredible. It's nuts, isn't it? That's just Emma. It's good travelling with Emma because she reads all the inscriptions and everything and then tells me exactly what's going on. It's like having my own tour guide.
My head's getting burnt.
So that was Lindos. What did you think?
It was nice.
It was pretty cool, wasn't it? Like they just built the Acropolis like right on top. It's pretty awesome. So we can compare that one now to the one we see in Athens.
I don't think there's going to be a comparison somehow.
No, I don't think so either. Thanks, Bob.
So
Quick ice cream stop before we get going.
it's important for temperature.
I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
Alright, we've made it down right down the bottom of the island where the Aegean Sea meets the Mediterranean. It might be very windy here, but it's pretty cool. We'll show you it. So that is the Aegean, that is the Mediterranean. We're going to go over this mountain, see if we can see, apparently you can see the line where they meet. So we're going to take a look.
I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
We've seen it on a bunch of things online where you see the clear line, but we couldn't see no clear line today.
Might be photoshopped up.
Maybe, I think so. Alright, just had some disappointing food at this place.
It wasn't. It was alright.
Alright, it was okay. But now we're going to jump back on the bike and then head back up the top to Rhodes and, I don't know, chill out. Oh no, you want to look at, there's an ancient, like, what is it called? Stadium.
Are we going to do that today?
Oh no, we're doing that tomorrow. I don't know what we'll do today. We'll just go back up and see what
Just
happens.
drive
Yeah.
That I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream
There we go. So that was your first ever attempt, that's the wrong word, go on a bike, scooter, anything like that, wasn't it?
I don't want to be
But didn't you fall off one of those scooters?
Yeah, I did. I never got back on it again.
So how was it?
It was good. My butt hurts now.
Would you do it again?
Yeah. I feel like we risked it for the biscuit today.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Because it was raining and everything.
No, I mean we wore shorts and we didn't wear a full face helmet.
So-
Remember that A&E episode where he had a full face helmet and it saved his life?
But we had helmets on.
Yeah, but not a full face.
It wasn't a full face, you are right. But your mum will be...
Displeased with you, yes.
she'll be fine, I think. Maybe let's not tell her until she watches this.
If she watches it.
Yeah, she won't, so she'll never know. It's been quite a full-on day. We've done a fair bit. We have circumnavigated this entire island on a scooter. Anyway, we're going to go find some food and then come back and get some sleep. See yous.
I found a dream